In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a cohort-based course on Payhip. If you're looking to set up and manage your online courses with ease, whether you're a new course creator or a seasoned instructor, this guide is for you. Let's get started. The first step involves creating your course product on Payhip. Start by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're in, navigate to the Products section. Here, you'll click on Add New Product and then select the Course option. This is where we'll begin to build the backbone of your course offering. Next, we need to give your course some identity. You'll want to start by naming your course. Choose something compelling and descriptive that resonates with what you're teaching. After you've nailed down the name, it's time to draft a detailed description. Think of this as your pitch to prospective students. Be clear and concise, outlining what the course covers, who it's for, and what outcomes they can expect. Finally, set a price that reflects the value of your course, taking into account your target audience and competitor pricing. With the basics in place, we turn our attention to the curriculum. This is where the structure of your course really comes to life. Begin by adding sections, which are the main categories or modules of your course. Under each section, you'll want to add lessons. Think of lessons as the individual building blocks that make up each section. Payhip allows you to mix and match lesson types. This can include videos for visual learners, text for those who might prefer reading, or quizzes to test the knowledge of your students. Diversifying content like this keeps students engaged and can cater to different learning styles. Now let's move on to an important feature: setting up a drip schedule. This feature helps you control the pace at which content is delivered to students, preventing them from feeling overwhelmed. Once you've added your lessons, navigate to the drip content feature. This will allow you to decide when each lesson becomes available to the students. You have a few options here, depending on your teaching style and the structure of your course. One popular choice is the X days after enrollment option. This setting is ideal if your students start the course at various times. It allows each new enrollee to access lessons on a schedule tailored to when they signed up. Alternatively, the student course start date option is based on when a student first accesses the course. This method provides flexibility for learners, tailoring the experience individually. Finally, you could decide to release content based on a specific date. This is great for ensuring all students receive, say, Module 1 on the same day, fostering a more shared learning experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll create a structured and engaging cohort-based course on Payhip. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you deliver a phenomenal learning experience.